go, guys. Check this out. This is Dyess Air Force Base. Let's get to where it actually says it. There. Dyess AFB Air Force Base. And then we come back down into this one here. Just see it there. We go from 3D to 2D. And there it is. Is it stealth technology, or is it just some sort of glitch in, well, Google software? Because, look, we can actually see underneath it. You see, just there, where I'm touching there, we can actually see through it. Which, there, you can see through it. So it's an actual object. It has to be, because we can see through it. That's the whole point of an object. If you can see through it, it means it's there. Wow, this is... I don't know what to believe, really. Look, I mean, from this angle, that just looks crazy. That looks insane. You know, and... What's that? Is that there? Is that a missile that's flew off it? Or, I don't know. Something's come off it. Strange. Really strange. Bizarre, even. It's from this end. This there. That's what makes it look so strange. Because this tail here is up in the air. It's up, look. It's up in the air. If that was something on the floor, then these tracks here would not exist. If this was like... Look. You can even see something there, a bit of metal on it. It's bizarre. And it's in the shape of this. So is it one of these crafts, but with a stealth covering? And I assume stealth is all about the surface of the craft. What do you think, guys? Let us know in the comments, and please leave your thoughts. This is just insane. It's brilliant, but I don't know what to think. There's all its munitions. Yeah, munitions. That's its rockets. Something. It looks like rockets to me there. That definitely looks like rockets. For that. To go underneath it. And inside of it. Is it the Flying Falcon? Looks like it. Right. Let us know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching. That's bizarre, isn't it? Look at it. It's so strange. There's that hole there. That's the hole that we can definitely see. We can see through it to whatever's underneath it. Bizarre. Let us know what you think.